We are pleased to show you the 2022 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.